financial people keep worshiping this thing called compound interest? Like, what's the hype? Is it magic? Is it witchcraft? Should I be scared?
It's not witchcraft, Maya, but it is the closest thing to real-life magic when it comes to money.
Keep talking.
Now, compound interest means your money earns money, and then that money also earns money over and over again.
So, like money having babies?
Exactly. And the babies grow up and start having babies too.
Oh, so it's a money family tree. I get it now.
Look at this. If you invest $200 every month at a 10% return, what you see is after 10 years, you don't just have $24,000. You end up with $38,000.
Wait. Where did the extra $14,000 come from? Who donated that?
Nobody donated anything. That extra money is compound interest. Your money growing by itself.
So you're telling me my money has a side hustle and I'm the only one working a 9-5?
That's why wealthy people love investing. Their money works even when they sleep.
Okay, but give me something crazier. Blow my mind.
Fine. If you keep investing $200 monthly for 20 years, your $48,000 becomes $153,000.
Jordan,
Are you telling me I'm sitting here eating snacks instead of becoming rich?
That's your choice, Maya. But compound interest doesn't play.
Okay, final question. Why don't they teach this in school?
Because if everyone understood compound interest early, everyone would be financially free. And the system isn't built for that.
Oof, say less. I'm opening an investment account today.
That's the spirit. The earlier you start, the bigger the money family tree grows.
And I want a big family, not kids, just dollars.
Hey, thanks for watching. Before you go, do me a quick favor. Make sure you hit that like button and drop a comment to let me know what you think. It really helps the channel grow. And of course, don't forget to subscribe and share this video with someone who might enjoy it.